High Court, and as the court has now responded by asking for a report on this.
Absolutely. This, remember, after a peaceful protest which was planned by the BJP, a rally towards Nabanna, which is of course the state secretariat, was faced with an iron fist crackdown where there were water cannons, as you can see on your screens. There were tear gas shells, there was use of laathi charge, and indiscriminate thrashing of BJP cadres was witnessed. In the midst of it all, now the BJP has moved the court. We're going to go across to Tamal Saha for more details. I believe he's joining us live. Tamal, you got us those visuals live today. I believe the court now has directed the DGP and the Home Secretary. So accountability is being sought by the court?
Well, yes, BJP has moved to Calcutta High Court. They had mentioned the matter before the Chief Justice, and of course a petition has also been filed as that whether they do have the right for a peaceful demonstration and a democratic right to protest against the government. They've also highlighted cases where BJP workers have sustained injuries and the kind of turn of events that have been witnessed by all through the day. Now, the Chief Justice has now sought a report from the state government over the issue of damages, number one. Number two, what really happened and what a law and order situation got disrupted and how the law and order situation was contained. Now, because minded, the state government, there is a government in place and law and order is a state subject. Thus, the law and order on the ground is equally the responsibility of the state government. Thus, a report has been sought from the police because BJP had been alleging police excesses, that they have been stopped, their protest rally had been thwarted. The reason why police have now been directed to file a report, number one. Number two, Home Secretary too have been asked to submit a report by September 19th. So in all likeness, after the reports are being furnished, number one, on damages that have happened on public property. Number two, why did it happen, how it all started. Number three, who are responsible, what are the cognizable action being taken by the state government, by the police. And number four, what really transpired, how it all started, what is the propagation, where the provocation came from. All of that, detailing everything, will have to be mentioned in the report, which has to be filed by September 19th.
All right, hold your thoughts. More breaking inputs coming in. Policemen attacked by mob in Kolkata. Police personnel brutally attacked by the mob. We have the video playing out on Times Now. So it's now a war of versions. The TMC says that BJP was the one provoking the police. The police show great restraint. The BJP says that our workers were thrashed by the Bengal police. This was done without any provocation. This is the latest video coming in which you can see the policemen coming under attack. Tamal.
Well, that's right. This particular incident happened in Kolkata, the same place where the police vehicle was torched, the same place, Rabindra Saroni, MG Road area in Kolkata, where the mob went absolutely irate. They were all part of the protest. Who these people are, we cannot independently identify. BJP had been making several allegations. We have to wait for police confirmation as who these people are. They can be easily identified. They can be seen. Most of them are there without mask. So all of a sudden, after they were stopped by the policemen with the barricades, they went charging on one particular police personnel. That's not all. They literally bashed him, with batons and, of course, sticks, hit him. And also the guard, the fiber guard, which police people used to guard their heads, that was also completely thrashed. That happened with one particular police officer. With another police officer, it turned out more violent. He was literally pushed and shoved, thrown onto the ground and kicked and also assaulted. So all that happened at Rabindra Saroni, which is near MG Road in Kolkata. Both the policemen were later rescued. Now, while the mob was trying to attack these police people, we cannot really confirm independently as whether they were mobilized with a definite motive and a purpose by any individual, by someone. What was the purpose behind it? We also see some of them also rescuing the police people.
Right.
But the bottom line is, the police people came under the attack, and this particular incident happened at Rabindra Saroni in Kolkata.
So it's very interesting because all of this has now reached the courtroom as well. On one hand, BJP alleges high-handedness and brutality by the cops. But on the other hand, you have the TMC floating videos such as this, which says that the cops too were under attack by a brutal, murderous mob. We'll have to wait and see. Keep tracking the developments on the front for us. Thank you so much, Tamal.